What's up guys, I hope you all are doing good and staying safe, and this video is going live on 25th of December, so Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to all of you, and I wish you all have a very happy, joyful and a prosperous 2021 ahead. I know 2020 has been a mess for almost all of us, so I do wish the next year will bring some joy and happiness now that we all got the news of the vaccine as well. So going towards the video, as you all know that Apple transitioned the iOS 14 into a new direction, into a completely new direction, because they introduced the ability to add your custom icons, to add widgets, and finally we were relieved and the Android users stopped mocking us. But there was still a problem while using the icons, the icon packs. Like when you were applying the custom icons, when you click on the app straight away goes to the shortcut apps first, then redirects to the app you want to go. So that was really a mess and I really hated that thing. I also made my videos where I made my custom icons pack, and I showed you how to make your custom icons, how to apply the custom icons using the shortcuts app. But after 1 or 2 days I deleted that icons. I was not feeling comfortable using them because my iPhone was feeling really slow to use. Like I have to go to the shortcuts app first, then I have to go to the app that I want to browse. So that was really slow. My experience was getting slow, so I discontinued that. I was using the custom icons, like not the custom icons, sorry, I was using the inbuilt icons that were available. But recently, in the I think 2 weeks before, Apple introduced the iOS 14.3, where they introduced the ability to go to the app straightly, that is having the custom icon pack, without going to the shortcuts app. So that was the only thing that kept me waiting this much long for the what's on my iPhone video, because I desperately wanted to show you my special MKBHD edition icon pack, which I can use worry free without the need of going to the shortcuts app. So here I am. I know I'm a bit late. I'm a bit later part of the 2020, but better late than never. So let's see what's on my iPhone late 2020 edition. Okay, so I was about to show you what's on my iPhone, but then I remembered that the iPhone, that is my primary iPhone, is right here and it's recording me. So it's time to replace it with my older smartphone. So please sorry for the lower video quality from now onwards, but the sound will be alright, just like you are hearing right now. So let's switch. So the switching is complete and here is my device, and here you can see the MKBHD icon setup. So now let's see what's on my iPhone. Now starting with the first page, you will see I'm having some basic social media apps. You can also judge from the icons, the look of the icons. The first app is the WhatsApp, then we have Facebook, then after that we have LinkedIn, then Instagram, then Twitter, then Snapchat, then App Store, then Gmail, then YouTube, then the other app is the Apple Music app, and after that it's the Photos app, and after the Photos app it's the Deals app named Flip. So it's not a very popular app, like it's not an app available worldwide, so the icon for that app is not available, but I put the most, like the icon which will be most suited for this app. So, and on the widget side I am having the one medium sized widget which is a smart stack as well, because I have the weather app as well as the batteries app. As you can see the battery levels of my devices, and on the top there's a small widget which I have introduced some shortcuts. So in this widget I have introduced the links to the like apps or the news site which I visit frequently or which I visit daily. Like you can see it's a Chrome link of deals. So when I click on this, it will open the deals page, which is the red flag deals. It is the page that deals in all the like good deals in Canada. So it's a deals page, and similarly I have arranged some like Apple news also inside this, and this is a website iPhone in Canada. As you can see, it's a proper website that gives some Apple news, breaking Apple news. And apart from that, we have the verge.com. Like I have arranged these websites according to the needs and according to the preferences, how I read and what I read daily. And you can also see like these are somewhat buggy. You can see I can't read the name of this one. It's the news site of my city, Montreal. So sometimes the name doesn't appear, but apart from that, it works really well. It works really good. And to set up something like this, I'll show you how to do it. So for this, you just have to go to the Shortcuts app, and please pardon, sorry for my full list of shortcuts, because I have created icons for each of them, so that's why I have a big list here. But for creating that browser shortcut, you just have to tap the plus icon on the right side and click on add action. And like suppose I want to open some URL from Chrome, so I click on the apps, I go to the Chrome icon, and on that I click on the open URLs in Chrome. So after open, you have given the option of URL, and in that you can either paste from your browser or you can write any URL which you want to open. Suppose it's google.com. So you will click on next, you will add your shortcut name, and you can also add the icon, and that's it. Similarly, you can create the shortcut for Safari also. You can open anything, you can create, you can keep any link which you want to open. So that's really handy for me, because I am reading the news, tech news daily. I am watching the deals almost daily. So I just have to go on my home screen, just click on this widget, and boom, here I goes. So on the bottom also I am having the phone app and the messages and the Chrome, Google Chrome, and apart from that I am having the camera app inside. So you can also notice like it doesn't go to the shortcuts now, but it's a bit slow. Like when you get the pop-up above of the shortcuts, it starts after that pop-up disappears. So it's still slow, but it's workable. Like you don't have to go to the shortcuts app again and again. Now coming to the second page of my home screen, the first app is the Slack, and after Slack, wait, I think I forgot this app. It has to be the movement camera app. Oh yeah, oh sorry, I literally forgot this because it doesn't have its own custom icon. So it was the movement camera app. It is a third-party app used to click raw photos and used to click like used to shoot videos in manual mode, because before we were not having the option of Pro RAW, so I was using that only in order to like manually adjust everything. And after that I am having the Netflix, and after that it's FaceTime, and these four below four are my banking apps. So the first three are my banking apps, and the fourth one is my YouTube Studio app. And below I am having a medium sized widget. As you can see, it's a Apple's own first party stocks widget, and I'm also having a clock of with different countries time zones, and this really helps me in keeping a track of time of my friend's place, of my own home country, and it's really beneficial and it's really useful as well. So going below now, we are having settings, and after that Google Maps, and after that Facebook Messenger, and after that we have the Google Translate app, and below we are having some news apps like Times of India for Indian news, and it's CNN for all the international news around the world, and this app is Gadgets 360. It's a tech app, it's a tech web app for all the technology news related to India. And after that, I'm having this Crick Bus, which gives all the cricket scores and news related to cricket because I'm a big cricket fan. So moving towards our third and final page, now we are having the Google Drive. So and after that, the Amazon app, and this Xbox logo app is the Apple Fitness app because I found this icon to be really cool, and I thought why not try on some app. So I designated this icon specially for the fitness app. And after that, we get the calculator, this is the health, and this is the transit app. It starts with T, that's why it got the Tesla logo. So it's not a logic, but I just liked it and that's why I put it this way. So after that, you get the reminders app, the notes app, and the Apple Store. This is the watch app, and this is Kijiji, which is a local second-hand shopping app. You can purchase the second-hand products all over Canada using Kijiji. And the last but not the least app is the Epoch Cam. This is a really good app, and this is really beneficial because this app allows you to use your iPhone as your primary webcam. Yes, using this app you can use your iPhone, like my iPhone 12 Pro Max, as you can see, as my primary webcam for all the Zoom meetings, for all the Microsoft Teams call and any other app. It supports Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Skype, and some other apps also, and it's paid, but it's really worth the money spent. So apart from that, as you can see, I am having a medium widget on my page. It's a calendar widget, and I'm also having the Google Calendar widget as well. And on the smaller widget, I'm having the screen time because we have to keep track, but I kept this widget in a smaller form factor because I don't want to annoy myself again and again after seeing my higher screen times. And apart from that, I am also having this clock widget because this is the Apple's on clock widget, and I really like this widget because the clock, the seconds, because the seconds hand is moving constantly, so I really like this thing. Okay, so these were the icons setup, the custom icons, what's on my iPhone, the apps I use, how I use, and how I organize my home screen using the widgets as well. And as I have shown to you, I have also used some little tweaks on the shortcuts about opening the favorite websites that I browse daily, using the shortcuts, putting them in the widgets stack, all the custom websites, all the websites that I visit frequently. I use some tweaks, I use the shortcuts app, and that was it. That was my settings, that was all that's on my home screen, and the apps I use almost daily. I have some other apps on the shelf which is at the last as well, but I don't use them frequently, so that didn't make to my home screen. And I am really happy that Apple gave us this ability to put only that apps that we use frequently or on a daily basis on our main home screen, and rest all the other apps on the app suggestions at the last. So I really like that setup, and I really am loving the iOS 14 because of the ability to add the custom icons, the ability to add cool widgets on your iPhone home screen, and all the other good stuff that iOS 14 brings us this year. And apart from all these things, 2020 has been really a messy year, but on the other hand, if we see on the technology part, we have seen a lot of cool, amazing, futuristic tech products in the entire year. The launch events were going abruptly. There were launch events every month, 2 launch events, 3 launch events. Like, the number of launch events that happened in 2020 were really a lot. Even in the pandemic going on, the online events never stopped, and we were amazed by the cool new technologies, the cool new advancements, the cool new features that came in all the products in 2020. And I'm really looking forward for all the new improvements, advancements in the products, in the tech products, in the gadgets, in the smartphones that we will see in 2021, starting with the CES in January first week or second week. So I am really excited for that. But for this year, this is not my last video. I will definitely come with another video for sure. It may be two, but one is definitely planned and is definitely in the works. So stay tuned. Merry Christmas to all and very happy holidays to all of you. Enjoy your time. For all the frontline workers, thank you so much for all the work that you did for us this year. We really appreciate your efforts. We really appreciate your time you have given, leaving your family behind, leaving your loved ones behind for us. And we are really, really thankful to all of you. So in honor of that, here's a little Christmas clip that I recorded while I visited the Christmas market in Montreal. So I hope you like this video, and I hope if you like my work, you will definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. For now, goodbye guys, and I will see you in the next video really, really soon.